This question is to detail the results of a survey involving 130 musicians, categorizing them by gender and their method of learning an instrument. A total of 130 musicians participated in a survey about how they learned to play their instruments. Their responses are organized in a table, showing both gender and learning method. The table reads as follows. Among the women, 12 were self-taught, 38 studied in school, and 22 had private instruction. That gives a total of 72 women. Among the men, 19 were self-taught, 24 studied in school, and 15 had private instruction. That gives a total of 58 men. The grand totals across all musicians are 30 self-taught, 62 studied in school, and 37 had private instruction, for a total of 130 musicians overall. Question is, if one musician is selected at random, what is the probability that this person is a man who received private instruction? First step is to understand what is being asked. We are asked to find the probability that a randomly chosen musician meets two conditions at the same time. First, the musician must be male. Second, the musician must have received private instruction. This is called a joint probability because both conditions must be true together. Next step is to find the number who match both conditions. Looking at the table, we find the number of musicians who are both male and receive private instruction. That number is 15. Next step is to identify the total number of musicians. The total number of musicians in the survey is 130. That's the denominator in our probability, since we're selecting one out of the entire group. Next step is to divide to find the probability. Now we divide the number of favorable cases, which is 15, by the total number of musicians, which is 130. 15 divided by 130 simplifies to the fraction 3/26. And as a decimal, that equals 0.12. The probability that a randomly selected musician is a man who received private instruction is 3 out of 26, or about 12%. When a probability question uses the word "and," always look for the cell in the table where both conditions meet. Then, divide that number by the total number of individuals in the entire group. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Thank you so much.